Right, we're just having a little play on our 405 again, and we're going to make it smell a bit fresher. It should make the air conditioning smell better and the ventilation. So this is a pollution, pollen, odour filter. It's called many things. And basically here it is, brand new. So if you have a look at your old one, and we'll show you where that is in a minute. If it's not white, don't be alarmed, because on the old Sport they sold two versions of this filter, a white one which was just a pollen filter, and then they did this one which is a carbon loaded, so it's impregnated with carbon, and that absorbs odour and smell.
They call it odour or
pollution filter.
So if you read it quickly, you make sure you read it right.
Yeah, so it looks like they only do the one version. It's dead easy to change. We'll stop whittering and we'll get on and show you how to do this, right? So that's what we're looking at. We're going to change. Right, so we press it and we open the bottom glove box, which is full of rubbish.
Which might all tip out on the floor.
Which is all going to tip out on the floor, so we'll dispense with it beforehand. Now at the sides here, you've got these little clips, okay? So what you can see here on the side, and you've got to push the top back, and Ian's got the one on the other side. So let me just show you what that is. So that's that little, and it's an end stop that stops the glove box tipping all the way down back to Ian. But we're gonna, and what you've got in here, let's get down a bit, we can actually see the filter in here. Now you might be lucky and you might just get your little arms in here and lift that up. Ooh. Okay, there we go, and it's there, it's all ready for you. Now it might not be, and we'll show you how to do that if you get a problem. Okay, now this is the one in there. Now it's a bit confusing because the one in here has got an arrow that says upside down. If you can read, it says airflow that way. Now actually the airflow is that way. So this one looks like it's been installed upside down, which I don't think is the end of the world, because it is just a, but what you can see is, you can see in the top here, you can see all the fluff and that it's sort of filtered out. So I think that's well due a change. Right, now we've bought a genuine one here, as you can see. We've got the genuine Land Rover part number. Now this one has an arrow. Did have an arrow. Where's the arrow gone here? But this arrow says up, so which is contrary to the other one, because the other one says airflow, which would be down. So be careful which filter you get. I don't think it makes a whole load of difference. It's just the filter paper. Well, on one of my other videos someone says, oh no, it's all special, but there we go. So this one goes in. Now I'm going to forget which side.
You want the right in facing towards.
So there's the old one we took out, yeah, so it's going to go like that. So on this one, the writing's on a different end. So the concertinas are going that way. That's up. I don't think it makes a lot of difference which is front and back. I'm going to slip that in there. Okay, go on, in you go. And just tuck him in, so he should lie nice and flat.
I think there's a couple of little teeth on the front that you have to like get past.
Ah, yeah, these little ones here. Ooh, yep, that one's broken off. There's a little one there, but yeah, don't try and flip them up, but tuck it in behind it. So just get it in.
So you have to almost push that front edge too far, and then it will return back and sit.
Right, now that's if you're lucky. Now if you're unlucky, there's this little flap at the top here that will come down. So we'll show. Now what happens is that, you see, that you could get it like that. Now you might be right, and you might better just push it back, okay, and you just flip that over. If not, what you have to do is turn the car on. Oh, you got the keys?
Start the engine?
Yeah, start the engine, let's do it. Okay, and basically it's all to do with the recirculation, because if the recirculation is on, then it will open. So it might take a couple of seconds for the car to configure, but we've got it on aircon with the fan.
Got it on anything.
No, we haven't got it on anything. We can't have it on. Not. You got just the fan blowing. Just the fan blowing. And you'll see there you can actually just flip it down then. But to make it go up, if you put it on air conditioning, okay, it will open. So if it's down, I would just look first, but if it isn't, all you need to do is select aircon, and it will roll that up automatically, as you saw, and expose the pollen / pollution filter to you. that's it, and you just close the glove box and you're done. So that has got to be one of the easiest pollen filter changes ever. Handy if you just had your car serviced. Have a look, have they changed the pollen filter, because sometimes they do miss that one out. Good luck with that, guys.